Good morning, everyone. Dreamtree, aka at Shaman-ra here, coming to you this morning after a night of a really interesting sleep pattern, incredibly weird, intense dreams, and this isn't a good camping spot. I mean, it is for safety reasons. I mean, kind of look around here. I don't even know how in the hell I got myself in here last night in the dark. I haven't a fucking clue. It's literally a maze of fucking brambly fucking bushes and shit. Um, yeah, it's so close to the highway here all night long. What are people doing at fucking 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, driving their loud ass fucking vehicles? Fucking semis, diesels, freaking cars with glass packs, and all these other types of vehicles people with small penises tend to purchase. Enjoy joyride at weird fucking times all night long, just hooting and hollering, people rednecking it up, and being loud and fucking annoying. How does anyone in this town get any sleep? I don't know. I just woke at 3 o'clock this morning because of consistently loud vehicles passing by. And then I tried to go back to sleep, and I tried doing it on my tummy, and oh my goodness, the dreams I had. Um, the first one I dreamt I was right here in my camp, laying on my belly. Check out the ice there, by the way. I get to wake up with that every morning. But yeah, I dreamt that a guy was mowing the grass right around me, and he told me, "Yo, you don't have to move. You're fine where you are." And then I imagined, just jumped right into another dream where a woman from my past was present, and we were in some trailer, and of course, I wanted to have relations with her, so we go to a room, and the room's full of parrots and bluebirds and all kinds of just fucking birds everywhere. Just all chirping and chattering away as I'm trying to get intimate with a woman. And then from there, I had a dream I was going around the country in a RV with some dude and end up meeting a lot of the people I had met on my journey. But they acted like I wasn't there, kind of a thing, until I told them, well, yeah, it'd be fun to hang out with you guys and all, but I really just want to get to the mission and get a shower and get my personal needs taken care of. And like, oh, no, 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 you got to come with us to this place or whatever it is. And this place ended up being this elaborate fucking Illuminati casino, and it had a mix of every type of people in there. There were like old people and young people, hippie people, business people, and they are all engaging in random acts of free love. And there are people who just finished a meal and they look like a regular family you'd see at a restaurant, and they immediately start having sex on the table on top of the leftover food afterwards. Things of that. So I was lost in this maze full of weird fucking people, weird demon things. I don't know, there's like these little demon creatures I'd meet once in a while. And, I got tired of dealing with them, so I just started going around swinging punches at these things and kicking their ass more or less. And I was lost in that dream for the remainder of the morning. And it was just nonstop. There's just no way to get out of this magical hellhole casino. But yeah, I'm awake and trying to decide if I should take my camp with me or stash it here for now. Um, well, I guess I'll find out. I don't really want to have to carry it and get a coffee and carry both of those things, but probably not going to have much of a choice in the matter because I don't want to sleep next to this loud traffic again. So I'll get with you guys later. Have a good day.